Well, howdy there pluckers, I'm Sore Fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for yet another guitar lesson. This one is a request I've had in to do a lesson on a song called Lonesome LA Cowboy by a band called New Riders of the Purple Sage. Standard tuning, no capos, doing in the same key as New Riders of the Purple Sage recorded the song in. So what I want to do, I'm going to do a very brief intro. And then it goes into the chorus. It just goes straight into the chorus to start the song off, and then the first verse, and then it does the chorus again. And at that point I'm going to stop, break it all down, show exactly how I played it all, and you will be good to go for the whole song. It just repeats another verse, okay, played exactly the same as the first verse, okay. So you'll be good to go with it. Singing definitely for reference only as usual. So here we go. Just a lonesome LA cowboy, hanging on to your window ledge, a calling your name from midnight till dawn. I've been smoking dope, snorting coke, trying to write a song, forgetting everything I know till the next line comes along. Forgetting everything I know till the next line comes along. There's so many people in this city, and I swear some of them are girls. I'm eating down at Barney's Beanery in the platform shoes and split girls. I buy 'em drinks, we smoke our hopes, and try to make it one more night. I left alone at last, I feel like I can cry. I'm just a lonely LA cowboy, hanging out and hanging on. So your window ledge, calling your name, midnight until dawn. Snorting coke, trying to write a song, forgetting everything I know till the next line comes along. Forgetting everything I know till the next line comes along. Something like that, get the idea. Right, so let's break it down for you. The introduction, very simple. There's a lot of sort of lap steel guitar on the intro, which obviously I can't do, so I just basically played a D chord to an A chord to an E chord to an A chord, and that's the intro. Okay, so D, A, E, A. Okay, and it goes into the chorus. Just a lonesome LA G, okay, cowboy, however you wish to play it, like that, or you can play a 4-finger G if you so wish. Okay, so A, I'm just, so it comes out of the intro. I'm just a lonesome LA G cowboy, D, hanging out and hanging E on, repeat. To your A, window ledge, G, calling your name, D, from midnight until E, dawn, up in D, smoking dope, E, snorting coke, A, trying to write a D song, D, stay there, forgetting every A thing I know, till the E, next line comes a A long D, forgetting every D at A thing I know, till the E, next line, stay there, comes along. Okay, and that's the choruses for you. So it's the same for every chorus, okay? So we'll just go through the intro and the first chorus again for you very slowly, okay? just a lonesome LA cowboy, hanging out, hanging on to your window ledge, calling your name from midnight till dawn. I've been smoking dope, snorting coke, trying to write a song, forgetting everything I know till the next line comes along. Forgetting everything I know till the next line comes along. Okay, so that's the chorus sorted. Next thing is the verse. Okay, so coming out of that next line comes along. There's so many pretty people in this. So many people, pretty people in this E city, and I D swear some of them are A girls. Right, so that's E. So it goes coming out of the previous chorus. The next line comes along. There's so many people pretty in this E city, D, and I swear some of them are A girls. Them down at E Barney's Beanery, D, in the platform shoes and spit E, cause D, I buy them drinks, E, smoke our hopes, and A, try to make it one more D, now when I'm left A alone at last, E, I feel I'll die from A, crying, and then off into another chorus, okay? It's as simple as that. So it's the verse again, coming out of the first chorus, so the next line comes along. So many pretty people, E, C, D, I swear some back to A girls. A, I meet them down, E, at Barney's Beanery, D, in the platform shoes, E, and girls, D, I do them drink E, and we smoke on A, D the night when I'm left A alone at last, E, I feel I'll die, A, crying, into the chorus. Okay, so let's just go through the whole thing again. We'll do the intro, first verse, intro, chorus, verse, chorus, and then you've got everything I played. Okay, so here we go. We'll do it quite slowly. Okay, so here we go. D, A to start off with. Okay, the intro. Just a lonesome LA cowboy, hanging out, hanging on to your window ledge, calling your name from midnight until dawn. I've been smoking dope, snorting coke, trying to write a song, forgetting everything I know till the next line comes along. Forgetting everything I know till the next line comes along. So many people pretty in this city, and I swear some of them are girls. I'm eating down at Barney's Beanery in their platform shoes. It's because I buy them drinks, we smoke our hopes, and try to make it one more night. When I'm left alone at last, I feel I die from crying. I'm just a lonesome LA cowboy, hanging out, hanging on to your window ledge, a calling your name from midnight until dawn. I've been smoking dope, snorting coke, trying to write a song, forgetting everything I know till the next line comes along. Forgetting everything I know till the next line comes along. there you have it. That's my take on that song for you. Very simple, straightforward. Shouldn't have any problem with that one. See you in the next video then. Bye for now.